Hey everybody, guess what? What? I'm making a collab channel. Really? That's awesome. I know, right? Yeah. So for all you people who want to join, the link is in the description. The channel name will be made up once everything is sorted out, because I haven't made it yet, but I'm making it soon. It's a tie between Music for 5 or Puke My Dinosaurs 6. I don't know, just some random name. So whoever would like to join, yeah, the link is in the description. Coconut body butter! Haha, I'm random.